This Vieira from Vieira Coins. Today we're gonna talk about it's a simple thing. Lot collector knows, but there's a lot of people start to be interested in coins, in the paper money, and they want to make their own collection. They don't have that much information. Sometimes they see online a lot of bad information with different prices, which doesn't make sense on the marketing file. Unfortunately, there are several websites. People try to selling, I'm not gonna say name the websites, but people try to sell something is worth a face value, and they put it at $25,000, $100,000, and when they come to our store to ask us to verify to appraisal, we let them know, unfortunately, how much worth. 99% is worth at the denomination worth the price of face value on it. There's no numismatic value, and some people understand. Some people, we explain them, we show the difference, we show the reason why worth a lot of money, why it does worth a lot of money, why the information is wrong online. Most of the time they show me the item fell up online, and some people accept, some people appreciate the information give to them, and unfortunately there's a few people they think we are the one want to scam them. Why can I offer something is a face value if online I can sell for thousands of $1,000? So happening is part of the business. It's kind of sometimes kind of like a little frustrated because you want to educate them. We don't know everything. We don't know 100% everything, but we know more the average people. Okay, we know enough to start to make a business, okay, to make a living from. Today we're gonna talk about star nodes. Star nodes is a replacement node, something right there. And then you're gonna see a little star by the end of the serial number. Okay. As I remember my own experience, I will say in different location, in different area of United States or in the world, might be the range of when the people start to be interested might be different. But in here in New York, people start to catching up, average people start to catching up, create a lot of interest. Most of things not even for starting, most of for collecting. Most of things choose to make a quick money. I would say about 2015, something like that. That's when a lot of people, like rental people, normal people, they never heard about coin collection or paper money investment or collection. They start to come to ask questions, to want to sell, and sometimes few $1,000 with star notes. Like they hold like $100, like a pack of $100 with star notes. When wishing that a long term, they can flip and buy a house, for example, right? And then I tell them that the real is different, and they most of the time, of course, they got upset because the expectation was too high. Okay, so that's a website. The easy way to check for star notes how much they're worth it. There's a website I can give to you guys, so you can put the information to paper money, and they can run the serial number and give the basic information. And you don't need to travel to nearby coin shop. You don't need to check the wrong information online. You can do on yourself, sit on your couch, on open computer or cell phone, and to and realize by yourself if it's worth it to keep it or spend it. Okay. Of course, if the serial number might be a good serial number, just I don't know yet. I never check star notes, unfortunately. But If it's a good serial number, you don't need to fold and to put a back with on your wallet. Okay, it's good for you to protect. You can get PVC free currency sleeve. Make sure you open all those corners. Okay, and then we squeeze inside. So that's gonna keep your paper money flat. The plastic is special material. There's no PVC, there's no acid, it's acid free, it's not gonna damage your paper money. And basically this can even make waves. It's not gonna affect because this is made for that. Okay, that's another video, but my main reason is how to check if my star note is worth to keep it, if it's collectible item, if I can make more money above the face value, in this case is $20, if I can make more above the $20. And let's go from there. Let me go here. So the website talk about is a simple one. Okay, it's a easy access. We're not familiar with this website. I'm not make advertisement from. If you search for resource, go right ahead. But that's the easy way to check it. Okay, you don't need to spend a couple $100 in books, paper money books, guide of US paper money to check how much you're worth it. Because for that, you need to know how to create your paper money because the price change over the condition and how rare it is. Okay. So in this case, you go into mycoinscollection.com, as you say here. So once I open the main page, the home page is gonna show star node lookup. Okay, so right here you have as initial $1. Just to let you know, the year is not going all the way to 1935, all the way down. Okay, the year will stop in this case 1981. So a $1 denomination before 1981, you cannot track it, okay, because the website has no history for, okay, and you can check on $1 denomination up to 1981. Let's go to $100 denomination, and it goes 1981. So 1981, that's the folder you can go to check your paper money. Okay, in that case I show you this is $20 bill. So you change it. First you have to fill up all those blanks. You change $100 bill, you change to 20, and then the second step, they ask you for the year and the series of the money. Okay, the series on my $20 bill is 2009. So I'm gonna go down here and I click 2009. If in the from 2009 you can see any letters in there, A, B, or whatever, you have to pick with the letters. In my case, this one there is no letters. You see 2009. By 2017 have a A, 2014 have a A, 1988 have a A, and it goes on and on. So this one is a straight number print without letters. Okay, the serial number you have to put a uppercase and follow exactly as shown. Okay, in this case it's JL 00855543, and you put the star. Star is a shift and 8. Okay, you're gonna see the star in there. So you gotta double check in JL 00855543 star, which is star node, and you click on lookup star node. So that's the information of the paper money you have on your hand, the star note you have in your hand. Okay, that's a result for $20 bill, like as you can see right on the top. year 2009 and the serial number. So looking here, you have the run size, that's how much they run at a year, the replacement type, what's the reason to replace, the regular, and the total print. Okay, on the year in 2009, on $20 bill, they print over 6 million $20 bill. The run size of a star note was 3,200, 3,200,000. Okay, more than 3 million. So if you pay attention to make it easy for you guys to understand, you can see the little arrow pointed all the way on the white color. You can see white, light yellow, dark yellow, orange, light red, and red. Okay, we looking in here. We wanna buy here. So here means in general under 400,000. Okay, on the run size, instead shows over 3 million, it's gonna show 400,000 or under, sometimes 250, 300, 150,000, and the arrow is not longer gonna be on the white. Arrow is gonna be all the way in here. So basically, to be red in here, it's gonna be 7% of the sheet. So it's once they printed, 7% of the whole running over 3 million is gonna be only 7% to qualify to start to become red. Okay. After that, of course, you check the condition on it, how many waves, the corner, if it's round, if it's crispy, the paper quality, everything, and you going from there to give you the right appraisal and let you know how much worth at the market value. Okay, so if you have a lot of star notes, take your time, go to the website and type one by one. If you have yellowish or orange, you don't need to keep it. If you need the money to spend it, spend it. Okay, don't hold it because will not be filed now and will not be in the future. Okay, you're looking for under 100,000, 400,000 on red. Okay, it's not necessarily all those 400,000 worth of money. It's not gonna be something worth like $25,000 as people been showing me, but it will be more the face value depend of the condition and the actual serial number right here. Okay, of course, if you have a low serial number, the price change. If you have a high serial number, the price change, and it goes on. Okay, it's I hope you guys understand the explanation here. I know a lot of people, which is a good, a lot of people know the information already, but for who doesn't know, that's a good starter to check if your paper money collection is worth some money. If it's worth it to keep it, or you choose a regular banknote, you can spend as a legal tender. Guys, that's all I have for today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.